Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will see how to apply for the IIT Madras BSc degree in programming and data science. So in previous video I told you whole procedure or the steps to follow to comply for the IIT Madras online degree. So from today, so that is from 3rd August, IIT Madras have opened their applications to apply for the online degree. Okay, so as we know that the important dates, 15 September is the last date to apply for this online degree. Otherwise, if the IITM got the 2,50,000 applications before 15 September, so they will close the applications to form the registration. Okay, so the first come first serve will be the criteria for this application. Okay, so I will tell you just how to apply for this online degree program. So on the top we can get here apply now button. So click on this. After that it will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Okay, so you have to sign in with your Gmail account. So here we have the tab that is sign in with Google. So we'll click it on this tab. It will redirect you to the Gmail account. So for that we required our Gmail account. Here you have to pass it your username and password. So I have already logged in into the Gmail account. Okay, so it will directly launch to me my dashboard. So here we will get the regular entry. Okay, so for the diploma entry, so in 2021 they will launch the application for directly admission to the diploma level. So from today onwards we have the entry to the regular. Okay, so application form. So again, as I mentioned you, last date is 15 September or the earlier, if they got the 2,50,000 applications, they will close that. Kindly note down your application number that you will get over here. Okay, after that check the checkbox and click on the start button at the bottom. Regarding the eligibility, I got many questions. Okay, so side by side I will complete that scenario as well. Okay. So basically we required here some kind of your photographs, scanned photograph, scanned signature. Okay, then your caste certificate, government ID proof, voter ID, Aadhaar card, and so on. So here we have to fill it our application's full name, date of birth, gender, country, ID type, that we have to select it. Whether you have Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, driving license, voter ID, whatever the document you have, just you have to select over there. Then that ID card number, category, what is your category? If you are belonging from SC, ST, OBC, non-familiar or economically weaker section, for that this category students you have to apply your category certificate. Okay, so again if you are a person with the disabilities more than 40%, you have to apply here the physically handicapped or weaker section, that certificate as well. Okay, so one by one you have to fill all the details like 12th equivalent details, qualifying criteria, current details, contact details, exam city, additional details, and you have to upload the documents that I told you earlier. Now there are many questions that whether the 12th standard student can appear for that qualifier test. So the answer is yes. The exception is for the 2020 students, those have cleared their 12th exam, also go for this qualifier exam. Okay, but after qualifier exam you need to take the admission offline to any degree program. Okay, then and then you can go for this online BSc degree program. Okay, so now I will fill the details. So let's say friends, on the left hand side we got some kind of tabs over there. So these are the fields that we have to fill for this application. So that is 12th equivalent details. There we have to fill our educational details. So the students those have doubts, or the students those are from 2020 batch, will select the option here 2020 batch over there. The students those have passed the 12th earlier, they will select the passed over there. And after that you have to fill the details regarding the 12th, from where you have completed the 12th, at what percentage and all. Okay, then we have the qualifying criteria details. So which criteria you can fill or apply. So for that, whether you have completed your graduation or you are in the graduation, okay, or whether you have completed your CA internship or completed AMI, or whether you are currently enrolled or any previously from any bachelor degree. So likewise criteria you have to select. Okay, so the student those will select the 2020 batch will get the other options for that case. Okay, if you select the bachelor degree though that you have completed, so they will ask you the details regarding your bachelor's degree. Fine, then we have to fill your current details, that is the okay, or the experience details. Okay, so whether you are in a working professional or you are a student and all. Then you have a contact details. The contact details, they will ask you your address, mobile number, email address and all. Then you have a exam city options. So these exam city options you have to fill very carefully, because these are the cities where you have to give the initially the qualifier exam. Okay, so they will ask you the three preferences. So the first preference will be you will select from your nearby location. Okay, so first you have to select your state, then you have to select the city that is appear from that respective state. So these are the three options that you have to select over there. Okay, then they will ask you some additional details. So whether you have a kind of a laptop, PC, smartphone, tablet, or whether what kind of internet speed you are getting, that whether it is a shared personal or the speed is of 2G, 3G, 4G, or whether you have a broadband, like additional details they will ask you. Then you have to upload your documents. So you need to upload your photo first. The size should be 50 KB to 150 KB. Then you have to upload your signature, the size from 4 KB to 150 KB. Then you have to apply your applicant's ID, that is your Aadhaar card, voter ID card, driving license, or any other. The size is of 50 KB to 2 MB. Okay, if you select other category SC/ST, so they will ask you other category kind of documents to upload. Okay, after that you can see your applications preview. So if you see any kind of a changes, you get back to the tab and you correct your details. Okay, after doing these things you just need to submit your form. Okay, so click here and just need to submit your form, and you need to pay the fees. Okay, the general category students need to pay the fees as a 3,000, and the categories those are SC/ST. Okay, these are the three. As I have selected the category as a general, so that I have to pay the 3,000. According to your filled details, they will ask you the registration fee. Okay, you just need to click here agree and pay, and that redirect you to the other payment gateway. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So kindly grab this opportunity as early as possible, because after 2,50,000 applications all over India, they will close the applications process. So if you like this video, or kindly subscribe to my channel.